I'm out here and it's pretty dark, so I've got my Nitecore flashlight. I like that it has a lock here, so this is locked, the button won't do anything. But if I unlock it here, this is the task light. One bump up and we get a pretty good light. Another bump up and we definitely have a good light. And then there's even a bump up from that, and you can see this would be great for work. This would be great for identifying things at a distance. And now if I hold down the button, watch this. It'll even flood more than that. And then it'll go back to that task light, which the task light is really effective for just doing work. So this is really handy. Of course, I've got the LEDs telling me how much battery life is in there. I can slide up the lock, and now it's completely locked out. I really like this one. Hope this helps.